Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder once again to all my viewers, and that is, if you have not joined the Telegram group, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. We talk about crypto, talk about the latest trends, news, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the Telegram group, link in the description box below, and say hello, and let's build this community together. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.67 trillion. We're up 22.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 42.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, finally we are seeing some sort of recovery in the markets happening right now, and that is all due to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is heading towards the upside. But this does not mean I am convinced that the bottom is in yet. Like I said in my previous videos, we want Bitcoin to hit certain price levels, which we will get into later in this video, for us to be very confident that the bottom is in. This could possibly even be a fake out, but we will jump into the price analysis for Bitcoin later on and see what's going on. But in the last 24 hours, we're seeing massive green across the board. Some altcoins are even up 50%. So crazy gains being made in the markets right now. But today I want to talk about none other than Cardano. Alright guys, if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, wow, Cardano is currently trading at $1.53. It's up 35.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 15.2% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at that top 5th spot. Market cap right now is $49.1 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $8 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Cardano, guys, in just the last year alone, Cardano is up 2,670%. Even in the last 30 days, we're up 32.2%. Obviously, in the last 7 days, we're down 33.1%. But you guys don't need to be reminded as to why that is, because the entire market did see a major pullback due to Bitcoin having a crash earlier last week. But today, that is not everything is looking not so bad for Cardano, and we're seeing markets recover. So let's jump into Cardano's price analysis and see where we could be going in the immediate short term for ADA. Alright, so far so good. Like, everything is playing out as I wanted to be playing out. You guys watched my video yesterday. You guys can see exactly what I have said is going on right now. Since this wick down here, guys, anyone that got in around this price level is doing great right now, because we are seeing ADA up since then 43.3%. And I believe as long as Bitcoin were to gradually move up, like let's say goes above 40K, I would not be surprised if Cardano gets back into this range. You guys can see that happened for us earlier, in the dip. When this dip initially occurred, we came all the way down. We went below this level of support, and boom, we got bought back up very quickly because Bitcoin bounced off very quick, and we went back into that 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. But that was a clear fake out for Bitcoin, and we saw the markets tumble once again. And you guys can see how important this level of support really is playing out. We touch right on dot at that 105.6 level support, and boom, bounce back up again. And I believe this was a double bottom. So far so good. Everything is looking very nice, but I would not be 100% certain that this bottom is officially in once we do hit certain levels for Bitcoin in the next couple hours. But everything is looking good. We're sitting above this level of support, this crucial level of support. If you guys know, all my Cardano holders and all the supporters, they know how important this level of support really is for Cardano at that $1.49.7. It was our biggest resistance for the longest time, for like all close to 3 months. This was the biggest resistance that Cardano was unable to break. And on, if you guys see on May 6th, we finally broke past this, and we had, had a massive rally, and we went all the way to $2.45. I mean 47 cents. But since then, everything did not play out in the favor of Cardano and along with the entire crypto markets, because we did see a Bitcoin. Because at the end of the day, Bitcoin, whenever it goes down and has a big crash, all the market is gonna follow with it, no exception. Like, there's no coin that is not gonna go down when Bitcoin has a flash crash of 30%. And Cardano went down with it. But if we bring out the measuring tool, guys, let's see how far we are from its all-time highs. So if we bring this out for you guys, we're down 39.11%, guys. And like I said, all eyes are on Bitcoin still. And if Bitcoin were to get back above that 43K level, I would not be surprised at all. Like, it would not come as a surprise to me at all if Cardano gets back into this range, in this $2 range, and just trade sideways for a while, and smash past this all-time high gradually. But this is what I would personally like for us to see. But we always have to be prepared for the prices to fall to towards the downside as well. Maybe this is a clear whale manipulation, and it is not the real the real leg up. It's more of the a fake out in a way. But we will see. Let's jump into the Bitcoin charts and see what's going on with Bitcoin, and then we will come to a conclusion for Cardano. So you guys can see Bitcoin is trading at $38,100. And now you may be asking, Crypto ZX, markets are looking major, green. There's a lot of green across the board. Why are you not excited? Is that not the bottom? Maybe it is the bottom, but I am not convinced until we reach at least this $43,200 level. Most importantly, the $46,560 level. We have to get past these two levels, guys, and stay above there for at least a day for us to be confident that the bottom is in and markets are, in the recovery phase. But as of now, I'm not convinced. As you guys can see, we wicked all the way down to 30K earlier, last week, just a couple of days ago. And then, we went all the way up to 42K. A lot of people were saying the same thing, bottom is in, but I was saying no. I am not convinced until we get above one of these two levels. And, it was a clear fake out, and boom, we came back down, saw a double bottom for Bitcoin, and now it's going towards the upside as well. So let's hope we can smash past one of these two levels, and I believe then it's game on for crypto, and I believe we are in the recovery phase then. So but let's say this was a fake out. You guys know, always have to keep it realistic on this channel. If this was a fake out, we can definitely fall below this level of support once again, and we could even come back down and see another 30K level for Bitcoin. And if that happened, what does that mean for Cardano? As much as I hate it, guys, we could fall further back down to this level. That's definitely a possibility, and I believe that would be a bounce off this level of support, but I do not see that happening right now. Hopefully markets do, especially Bitcoin tends to go above that 43 and $46,000 level, and I believe bottom is in and we are off to a great start. And this goes to show, guys, just this initial dip goes to show, I always say this, as long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, patience will be your best friend in this cryptocurrency markets. You do not want to get shaken out during these price pullbacks. And you guys are seeing this right off the bat, right in front of you. You guys can see markets tumble down, but especially in the bull market, we do see a massive recovery. Whenever that recovery does happen, it tends to be very fast. So you do not want to be shaken out, guys, during this time. Patience is very much needed in this market, and always take profits. All my viewers can vouch for me on this. I always say, take profits, guys. If you're sitting at massive profits, you have to have some sort of exit strategy where you can lock in some profits and buy these dips or use it for your personal use. I just give you guys tips at the end of the day because I care about each and every one of you guys. I have been in the markets for a few years, and I have learned a lot of things. I have made mistakes, and I try to teach my viewers what mistakes I made and how I learned from it. so you guys don't make the same mistakes again, because I care about each and every one of you guys, and I want you guys to succeed in this market. But guys, patience is very much needed in this market, and you will not get rich overnight. I promise you that. If you came to crypto thinking markets are going to go up in straight in one line, sorry, that's not the case. It's not realistic like that. Anything that goes up straight will come down even harder. But so far so good. All eyes are still on Bitcoin. We would like for Bitcoin to gradually move up, and I would not be surprised if we get back into that 38.2 and gradually move towards its all-time high. Everything is looking very nice for Cardano. You guys know my stance on Cardano. Cardano is the biggest, the biggest crypto. Cardano or VeChain, one of them are the top cryptocurrencies in my opinion, and I believe in the next 3 to 5 years these two currencies will take over the entire market if they continue delivering what they're doing. We're seeing a massive interest coming in Cardano, guys, and Cardano is, as a project itself, is making big accomplishments. Just yesterday we reached 1 million Cardano wallets. That's absolutely insane. It's a major milestone for Cardano's community. And also on top of that, you guys know Alonzo hard fork is coming out next month at the end of the month, and that has a lot of people getting excited. On top of that, we have Africa expansion, also smart contracts launching. This is the future, of the blockchain, in my personal opinion, and we are already starting to see that happen for Cardano. And obviously, the Tesla hype, which coin Tesla is going to accept as the next payment method, is still pure speculation. But Cardano is on, one of the most favorites to be listed. A lot of speculation going on that Cardano will be the next token to be accepted as Tesla's payment method. But we don't really need Tesla in order to succeed, guys. I believe Cardano, whatever they're doing, aside from being listed on Tesla or not, it's going to succeed, and it's here to stay. And it will be one of the biggest, if not the biggest, altcoin in the next 3 to 5 years. I would not be surprised if that were to occur. But now, let's jump into staking rewards. It's not a Crypto ZX video if I do not come on the staking rewards website and show you guys. I always bring this to you guys so you guys can get a better perspective as to what is going on and how big Cardano really is. So top 10 crypto assets by staked value, you guys can see number 1 is Cardano. 74.49% of its total circulation supply is staked right now, with a 34 billion being staked in the total value. So this goes to show the level of interest there really is, how big the community is, and they're in it for the long haul. And I see Cardano taking over Ethereum. I always say that because if we look Cardano and Ethereum side by side, Cardano is so much superior than Ethereum in so many ways when we compare the tech. Obviously, Ethereum has the first mover advantage. It was the first altcoin that came into the market, and it has built up its credibility. But now it's more of a store of value asset that is seen, in my opinion, from investors rather than developing it and using it. I believe Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana are a better option for that, and that's why we're seeing interest from developers going into these certain blockchains rather than Ethereum blockchain. But Ethereum's still a good project, guys. I still love the project, but you just have to bring reality in, and I believe Cardano is a ETH killer long term, especially in the next 3 to 5 years. If you guys don't know, if you guys are new on this channel, first time coming on my video, if you guys don't know, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is a co-founder of Ethereum. So he is a genius man himself, and he is doing things that he did not see in Ethereum, and he's making Cardano even better, and that's what I like to see. And I am a huge believer on Cardano, and I believe it's here to stay. And in the next a couple of years, guys, we will be laughing at these prices. I am very confident about that, but that's just my own personal opinion. Only time will tell. If we were to get the parabolic bull run that we saw back in 2017, where altcoins just rallied like crazy, if we were to see that, I don't even know what to say for Cardano at that point, guys. Cardano will see major upwards potential, but like I said, only time will tell. And also, one thing I really like about Cardano is that we don't have liquidity problem. We're listed on all the major exchanges in cryptocurrency, so that's a very big plus sign as well. But with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see Cardano trading at the end of June. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And if you have not joined the Telegram group chat, what are you guys waiting for? Link in the description box below. Let's come join the group, say hello, let's talk crypto, and just have a great time at the end of the day. And yeah, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Like this video, it helps my video get to a wider audience. And also, your support is greatly appreciated. Each and every one of you guys that show me continuous support, I appreciate you guys a lot from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, and stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.